Short form clips have taken over, and if you're like me where you film 99% of your videos for YouTube, transforming them into vertical shorts can be a tedious process, but it doesn't have to be. I'm going to show you how to transform your long videos into eye-catching shareable short form content with almost no effort. Let me show you how to transform this video into this short in only 2 clicks. We're going to open up Veed's dashboard here and click Create Clips. Now select the video that you want to make into a short form clip, and Veed's AI is going to cut out the best bits here. It's going to add subtitles and it's going to crop your video in seconds. I'm just going to play some of it back now so you can see how it looks.
It's doing pad krapow, and literally the smell of when you walk past, like boom, in the face, hits you. So
that is looking great, but let's say you want to change up the subtitles. You might want to add a text title, some copyright free music, or even add your own custom assets for your business or your brand. Just click edit, and then that's going to bring you into Veed's editor. So to custom edit your short form videos, I'm just going to pop a tutorial for that down in the description and also on screen now. However, if you are happy with how your clip is looking, simply click download and that's it. In 2 clicks here, you have transformed your video into a perfect piece of shareable short form content. I really hope you found this video helpful, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.